In this tutorial, I will show you how to access archived chats on Chat GPT on the mobile phone app. Open the Chat GPT app. Tap the two lines, hamburger menu, in the top left corner to open the sidebar. Long press any chat and select Archive. To archive an open chat, tap the three dots in the top right of the chat. Tap Archive to archive that conversation. To view your archived chats, tap the menu icon again. Tap your profile at the bottom. Go to Data Control. Then tap View Archived Chats. Long press any chat.
In the pop-up menu, you can either unarchive a chat by tapping Unarchive or delete a chat by tapping the Delete button.
That's it. Now you know how to access archived chats on Chat GPT.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.